right, well, it's time to go ahead and support some of these plants before they get big clusters of blooms on them and flop over. So I'm just going to use a little garden twine, tie it to the fence, loop it around each plant just to give them a little extra support as they go into their blooming season. Okay, well, I think things are nice and tidied up now, and I'll just keep making my way around the garden, tying things up until everybody's secure and ready for when their blooms start to come in. I think it'll be good. I have some purple coneflower in between the black-eyed Susans, and everything always just gets so tall and overshadows it. It doesn't get enough sun, but I'm seeing a few blooms in there, so I'm hoping this will help. That I get. Usually, I'm doing this a little later in the season. On top of it a little earlier this year, so I'm hoping that'll help the black or the purple coneflowers come in, and I'll have a little more diversity of blooms. And along the way, I'm pulling weeds or plants that have self-seeded that I don't want in that area. It's a good time to get back there in the jungle, as we call it, here in our garden. So, all right, let's see what else we have to do. All right, so you just saw me kind of poking around in the back corner there and trying to figure out how to support the Joe Pye weed and my hibiscus that I have out there. And I don't think I can do it with string, so I'm going to take this minute to show you how I do sort of DIY plant supports. I get these metal rods. I think they're a quarter inch in diameter, and I find them yeah, 1/4 inch, 6 foot long, welding STL round. So I find them in the welding section at a big box store. And basically, I saw this on YouTube. So, and I can't remember who I saw it from, but you take the rod and like I use the tree here to help me, and I just try to center it as best as I can. And then sorry about that, we got some trucks going by. I pull either end towards me and fold it around the tree, and then I get my own little DIY plant support. So I'm going to do that real quick and then use them in the backyard and see if I can't get that Joe Pye weed and hibiscus to stand up, and then I can use string to help get it where it needs to be. All right. I don't think we'll need all of these in here. I want to save one for the yellow coneflower. As long as I'm back here, I'll do some weeding. Okay, this bee balm always flops over. So try and get this lifted up and supported before that starts to get some blooms. Doesn't help with the dog. Pops in here all the time. This may be a lost cause, but we'll give it a shot. Should have done this earlier. Yeah, here you come. This is your little secret passageway. He beats these plants up to the point where even if I support them, they look a little ridiculous. I'm going to pull some of these weeds. right, so in my last video, or not my last video, a couple videos ago, we had a big weeding day, and I was showing you, or I was talking about this tool that I love. I can't remember what it's called, Japanese weeding knife, maybe. Um, anyway, it's got a sharp blade here. I love it, and I broke it. I kept using it to kind of boost myself up, and the neck here cracked. So I ordered a new one, and I've got it. So I'm going to go in through here and do a little bit of weeding. This is great because what I do is I just kind of slide this under the surface of the soil, and it gets annoying little weeds. It also works really well to go in the cracks in between my paving stones. So that's what we're going to do now. Give this little area a little attention.